Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into something truly special that's been making waves in the analog photography world. The Killer Acid Mental Exploration Co. 35mm film camera, brought to us by the fantastic folks at Retrospect. Now, if you're someone who appreciates a blend of vintage charm, artistic flair, and the tangible magic of film, then you're definitely going to want to stick with personality. Killer Acid isn't just a name, it's an aesthetic, a whole not just a tool for capturing images, it's a statement piece, an extension of your creative spirit. The design is bold, playful, and instantly recognizable, making it stand out in a sea of more conventional cameras. This isn't for the faint of heart, it's for those who want their gear to reflect their unique perspective on the world. Underneath that vibrant exterior, Retrospect has delivered a wonderfully straightforward 35mm film camera. For anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of film photography, or even seasoned pros who want a fun, no-fuss shooter, this camera hits all the right notes. It strips away the complexities, allowing you to focus purely on composition and the joy of the moment. One of its standout features, and a truly essential one for a camera designed for spontaneous exploration, is the built-in flash. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a game-changer for capturing those unexpected low-light moments, adding a distinct, often gritty, filmic quality to your shots. Think late-night adventures, dimly lit parties, or just adding a dramatic pop to your daytime photos. The flash ensures that your mental explorations aren't limited by the sun's schedule. Using 35mm film means you're embracing a classic medium known for its rich colors, beautiful grain, and that inimitable analog feel. Every click of the shutter, every roll developed, becomes a journey of anticipation and discovery. It's a refreshing departure from the instant gratification of digital, forcing you to slow down, be more intentional, and truly appreciate the art of photography. This camera feels robust, yet lightweight enough to carry everywhere. It's designed to be your constant companion, ready to document life's eccentricities and beauty as they unfold. Whether you're a street photographer, a party goer, or just someone who loves collecting unique art pieces that also happen to take incredible photos, the Killer Acid Mental Exploration Co. camera is an absolute gem. It's more than just a camera. It's an invitation to see the world through a different, more vibrant lens. It truly offers an unparalleled blend of style, simplicity, and that irreplaceable film magic.
Video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.